Good morning, children. In our vectors, we have next topic is dot product or scalar product of two vector. Whenever two vector quantities are multiplied with each other, then their resultant is scalar quantity. So, if the resultant is a scalar quantity, then we have a new topic that is called dot product of two vectors. It is defined as the product of magnitude of two vector and cosine of the angle between them. A vector dot b vector. We have two vectors a and b. The magnitude of the vector a is mod a. Magnitude of the vector b is mod b. Now, according to the definition, the product of magnitude of two vector a and b and cosine of the angle between them. So here cos theta is used. Or we can write here a vector dot b vector, that is equal to a into b into cos theta, where a is magnitude of vector a and b is magnitude of vector b. Now, geometrical interpretation we can write here. Suppose vector a is taken along kp and the vector b is taken along km. Now, here we can write in triangle KNM, where MN is perpendicular KP. In triangle KNM, we can find cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base is Kn, hypotenuse is Km. So we can find value of Kn is equal to Km cos theta. Kn is equal to Km is B. So Kn equal to B cos theta. Now here Kn is component of vector B in the direction of vector A. So now we can write here a vector dot b vector, that is equal to a into b into cos theta. So now a is here, this is a into b cos theta, this is like this. So a is, this is magnitude of vector a and component of vector b. So dot product is also defined as the product of magnitude a and component of vector b. So we can write here a vector dot b vector, that is equals to a into b into cos theta. Now cases here, if theta is equal to 0, this is the angle between a and b. It means two vectors are parallel to each other. We can write a vector dot b vector is equal to a into b cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So this is equal to AB. A vector dot B vector is equal to AB. Now, in terms of unit vector, this is most important topic. For x-axis, if the two vectors lie along x-axis, then x-axis के along unit vector होता है I cap dot I cap. Magnitude of I cap is 1. Magnitude of I cap is 1. 1 into cos 0. Cos 0 1. Therefore we can write I cap dot I cap is equal to 1. For y-axis, unit vector is j cap dot j cap 1 into 1 cos 0 is 1, so we can write j cap is equal to 1. For z-axis, along z-axis, unit vector is k vector dot k vector 1 into cos 0, this is equal to 1. So if the two vectors are parallel, then in terms of unit vector, I cap is equal to 1, j cap is equal to 1, k cap is equal to 1. Now case second, if theta is equal to 90 degree, two vectors are perpendicular. Now we can write here a vector dot b vector is equal to a into b cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. So a vector dot b vector, this is equal to 0. In terms of unit vector, I cap dot j cap 1 into 1 x axis, y axis, z axis. Angle between x and y 90, angle between y and z is 90, angle between z and x is 90. Along x axis I cap, along y axis j cap, along z axis this is k cap. So I dot j 1 into 1 into cos 90, cos 90 is 0. I cap dot j cap is equal to 0. Now we can take j and k. J cap dot k cap 1 into 1 cos 90, cos 90 is 0. J cap dot k cap is equal to 0. Along z and x we can write k cap dot I cap 1 into 1 cos 90, cos 90 is 0. So we can write I dot j 0, j dot k 0, k dot I, this is equal to 0. To find the angle between two vectors, let we have two vectors a and b such that vector a is equal to ax into I cap, ay into j cap, az into k cap. Now magnitude of vector a is under root ax square plus ay square plus az square. Let second vector b is bx into I cap, by into j cap, bz into k cap, mod of b under root bx square plus by square plus bz square. Now the dot product of two vectors a and b. Vector a is ax into I cap plus ay into j cap plus az into k cap dot bx into I cap plus by into j cap plus bz into k cap. Now this ax into I cap, it will be multiplied by bx into I cap, by into j cap plus bz into k cap. I dot I is equal to 1 ax into bx, so it will be ax into bx. I dot j will be 0, I dot k will be 0. Now ay j cap dot I will be 0, j cap dot j cap is equal to 1, so ay into by plus ay into by plus j cap dot k cap is equal to 0. Az k cap into this k dot I 0, k dot j 0, k dot k 1. So this is plus az into bz. Now according to the dot product of two vectors, a vector dot b vector is equal to mod a mod b into cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, we can write here, a vector dot b vector upon mod a into mod b. Cos theta equal a vector dot b vector. This is equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az into bz upon modulus of a under root ax square plus ay square plus az square under root bx square plus by square plus bz square. So to find the angle between the two vectors, put the value of ax bx, ay by, az bz, and find the magnitude of the vector a, magnitude of the vector b, then find the angle between the two vectors.